Hi, this is Ru from Ether. Lixiang Energy is a company that has been manufacturing, selling, and trading heated clothing, air-conditioned clothing, and related electric accessories since 2011. The company's main products are heated socks, heated gloves, heated underwear, heated vest, heated jacket, air-conditioned clothing, batteries, fans, and so on. The company constantly follows the international standards of ISO 9001-2005.
And the company has CE, FCC, REACH, and PSE certification.
Lixiang provides perfect pre-sale, mid-sale, and after-sale service, 24-hour service, custom design, fast production, good quality, reliable shipment for all customers.
Lixiang has its own laboratory with various testing equipment for product working performance testing, and also has a very professional research and development design team with 15 years experienced engineers, which can realize your idea to a finished product in short time. On sewing workshop,
Battery pack production workshop,
switch production workshop, heating pads production workshop, and fan production workshop. The annual output reaches 1 million pieces.
This is the material warehouse.
With more than 10 years of product innovation and quality improvement, Lixiang has become a reliable partner of benchmark companies in various fields at home and abroad.
This is heated vest model number HV004, made of polyester, with heated preserved fabric lining, smooth zipper closure. It is featured by one dual control button and 8 heating zones. Left button controls 2 heating zones on belly. Right button controls 6 heating zones on back. Besides, its power cord is USB type. You can use any power bank to power it. Just make sure the power bank has 5 volts, 2 ampere outward at least. These are air-conditioned clothing and cooling fan clothes, available in long sleeve, short sleeve, and sleeveless. Designs and material can be customized according to customer's request. We currently have two types of fan power supply system for your option. One is with speed control cable and 5 volts power bank. Advantage is that you can use any power bank available in the market just to make sure that it is 5 volts 2 ampere output at least. Let's check it out. It has 3 levels for you to choose. The other is with connection cable and 7.4 volts lithium battery pack. The advantages is that it can provide larger air volume compared to 5 volt system. Wow, it's so cool!
The one I'm wearing is the customized version of air-conditioned clothing. Let me show you. This is the way you will be like if you put on this clothes. Here is the power bank.
High quality, integrity, innovation, and win-win is our philosophy. Use technology to change the way of wearing. Make life like spring in all seasons is our mission. We'll provide excellent quality products and best service to our customers. Looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.